Last month, I canceled almost $600 a year of subscriptions, and I haven't missed a single one because a free AI tool quietly does each job now. $50 here, $12 there, $30 for a thing I opened twice. Gone. But here's the part nobody tells you. Some of those subscriptions were genuinely worth killing, and a few of them you should absolutely keep paying for. So before you rage cancel everything, let me give you the exact 3-question test I used to tell the difference, and the 2 kinds of subscription-free AI still can't touch. Here's the trap. Every week somebody posts, AI killed this $50 app. You get excited, you cancel it, and 2 weeks later you quietly resubscribe because the free version couldn't actually do the one thing you needed. That's not free AI failing. That's you canceling the wrong subscription. The skill isn't knowing which tools exist. It's knowing which of your subscriptions is already dead and just hasn't been buried yet. So here are the 3 questions I ask about every recurring charge on my card. Question 1. How much of what I pay for do I actually use? Pull up any subscription and be honest. Most of us use maybe 10% of a tool we pay full price for. I was paying for a whole writing suite to do one thing: clean up my grammar and tighten a paragraph. That's it. A free AI chat does exactly that, on command, better. When you're paying $50 for a mansion and living in one room, and free AI furnishes that one room perfectly, the subscription is already dead. You're just still paying rent on the empty rooms. Question 2. Is the free tool's ceiling higher than my actual usage? This is the one people skip, and it's why they resubscribe. Free AI has real limits. Daily caps, no deep integrations, it forgets your history. But here's the thing. Most of us live way below those limits. If you generate 5 images a week, the free tier ceiling is miles above your head. You will never touch it. If you transcribe a couple of calls, talk to it a few times a day, polish some writing, free covers it with room to spare. Paid only wins when you genuinely slam into that ceiling every day. If you don't, the paid tier is selling you headroom you will never stand up in. Question 3. What actually breaks if I cancel tonight? Not what you'd miss in theory, what physically breaks. For most feature subscriptions, the honest answer is nothing. You export your stuff, you switch, done. But for a few, real things break. Your bank feed stops syncing, your team loses shared history, and automation your whole week runs on goes dark. That answer is the whole game. If nothing breaks, it was already dead. If something you depend on breaks, you just found a subscription worth keeping. Now stay with me, because the one I was most sure I'd keep is the one that surprised me. I had a premium design subscription. $30 a month, had it for years, felt untouchable. Every social graphic, every thumbnail, every little banner. I ran it through the 3 questions almost as a joke. How much do I use? A handful of templates. Is free above my ceiling? A free AI image generator plus a free canvas tool cleared it easily. What breaks if I cancel? I exported my brand colors in about 4 minutes and nothing else broke. The subscription I was certain about was the deadest one on the list. The ones you never question are exactly the ones to question. So here's the honest map, because free AI killed everything is a lie, and I'm not going to sell it to you. Free AI reliably kills what I'd call feature subscriptions, the tool that does one job you could describe in a sentence: grammar and rewriting, basic graphic and thumbnail design, transcription and voice-to-text, stock images and simple assets, a basic help desk or FAQ answer. If your $50 a month buys a single describable feature, free AI has probably already replaced it, you just haven't run the test yet. But here's where free quietly loses, and this is the part that actually matters. Free AI does not kill infrastructure subscriptions, the plumbing your life or business runs on, your bookkeeping with its live bank feeds and tax rules and audit trail, your password manager. Please, for the love of everything, do not swap that for a chatbot. Your email, your calendar, your file storage, the automation the rest of your stack is bolted onto. Those aren't features you perform once. They're the ground everything else stands on, and a free tier that hits a rate limit at the worst possible moment, or quietly trains on the data you paste in, or just disappears when the free plan changes next quarter, that can cost you a lot more than the $50 you thought you were saving. Free is only actually free when losing it costs you nothing. For the plumbing, losing it costs you everything. Keep paying. I put the whole thing in the description, a free versus paid map. The job on the left, the free AI tool that now does it in the middle, and on the right, the honest note for where free still loses. There's one page, no email wall, just sitting there. And these are categories, not sponsorships. Nothing here is paid to be on the list. And you should check any tool's real features and price on its own site before you cancel anything. This isn't financial advice. It's just the test I use on my own card. So tonight, do one thing. Open the subscriptions list on your phone. It's in your settings. Most people have never actually read it, and pick the single most expensive one. Run the 3 questions. How much do I use? Is free above my ceiling? What breaks if I cancel? If nothing breaks, you just gave yourself a raise. If this saved you 1 subscription, subscribe. Killing the quiet money leaks is kind of my whole thing. See you in the next one.